Good morning all. Myself Mauna from Excel Engineering College, Department of Information Technology. Today we are going to see about the topic inheritance. In the Java, inheritance is an important concept. So in the interview based also we have a lot of questions asked from the inheritance concept. So we are going to see about the simple basics in inheritance concept. So first we are going to see about inheritance definition. What is meant by inheritance? Actually inheritance means what we are inheriting all the things from parent. So as a child you will inherit all the things from our parent, that the genetic disorders and also the character and also the marks, everything we are inheriting everything from the parents. So like that, inheritance also the same concept. We are inheriting all the characters and everything from our parent class. We have a child class, base class, like that of concepts. From all the things, we are inheriting everything from our parent class. So that is the concept over here. So the definition is that inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent class. So one can acquire all the properties and behaviors of the parent class, the base class that has been acquiring all the properties. It is a main important thing in our OOPS concept, the object-oriented programming concept. The inheritance is an important concept. So the idea behind is that creating existing classes, so we can reuse the code. So for that purpose, we are creating this inheritance concept. So afterwards, when we are going to create a new classes, again and again we shouldn't want to repeat. We can able for the one particular set of code has been in our parent class, means we can easily able to inherit using the concept of inheritance. So we have some terms used in our inheritance concept, that is a class, subclass, superclass, reusability. So class means normally a class. We are creating a class in our Java program, that is a normal class, creation of a class. Then subclass. Subclass is also known as a child class and also we will tell as a derived class. Then superclass or also parent class. We will tell parent class, superclass. These type of names can be used. Then reusability. Reusability means we can reuse the code while we are using it in the parent class. We cannot. We shouldn't want to rewrite the program again. We can easily reuse the code using the inheritance concept. That is the reusability. So then we are going to see the syntax. What is this? Usually in all the concept, what is there? How to create the program? We have a basic syntax like that. The syntax. So syntax here over the syntax we have class. I told that subclass, superclass, all the things we are having subclass, superclass. So subclass means it is a child class. Superclass is a parent class. So I am inheriting all the concepts from parent class using this keyword, that is extends. By using the keyword extends, I am inheriting all the concepts of parent class, that is a superclass. So that is they have given class, subclass, name, extends, superclass name. So method or fields, what are the functions we are giving, everything has been comes under this statement, scaling basis. So the definition for extend keywords is these indicates these extends keywords has been used to deriving all the concepts from the parent class. For that purpose, we are using the extends keywords. So extends keyword has been used here. Then one common example, we will see one common example. One employee information. They have an employee, he is going to get a bonus like that amount. So everything I didn't give in a particular information. Parent class I am not able to give everything. Bonus has been in a separate way. So like that we have a concept over here. So I am creating an employee information. So one main function. In the main function I am created a programmer class. So programmer object for the programmer. So class employee is a parent class. Class programmer is a base that is a child class. So that parent class, child class we have given. Child class as extends employee. Here it means that the child has been inheriting all the concepts, all the fields and methods from our employee. That is a parent class. That is a concept I told already. Inheritance means it will inherit all the concepts from our parent class. So employee class, programmer will extend the employee. So all the concepts has been inherited from there. So here I am creating an object for programmer. It will automatically go to my programmer class, that is a child class, it will extend employee. Here in the programmer we have an int bonus is equal to 1000. So this is an output side, some mistakes happen. So int bonus is equal to 10,000 I have given. Bonus has been 10,000, but the salary of the employee is in the my parent class, that is 40,000. So the parent class has been inherited by the child class. So bonus for 10,000 and salary 40,000 both has been printed in my output area. That is the output. Programmer salary equal to 40,000. Bonus of programmer is a 10,000. Here, if it is not inherited means only this bonus alone will printed, because we have created an object only for this one. So if I am inheriting the concept, so that's why these both are take part in our program. So next one is types of inheritance in Java. So types of inheritance in the concept we have said that we have 5 types. One is single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. Single inheritance and multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, these are all comes under our inheritance concept. But in the hybrid and multiple inheritance we will not able to do in our inheritance, so we will go for a interface concept. It is a separate part, we will see in the separate class. So these two concepts we will see in the separate classes. Now we are going to see about single, multiple and hierarchical inheritance. So what is the basic structure of our program? Single inheritance, multiple, this type of inheritance, we have some basic structures. What are the structures? Actually here, class B, class A, I have mentioned both classes. So class B, so it is a child class. Class A, it is a parent class. So class B is inheriting class A. So child has is inheriting a base class. So only a single point of base class and the parent class is called a single inheritance. Here class C, class B, class A. 3 things are there. 3 classes are there. So this is a parent class. This is a derived class. This is derived from parent class because this is the grandfather, this is the father, this is the son. So like that we can say means he is inheriting from him, he is inheriting from him, like that. He or she has been inheriting the concepts from their parent class. We have one parent class, one base, 2 base class. This parent class is inheriting from here, this parent class is inheriting from C. So like that, this is a multi-level inheritance. Then hierarchical. Hierarchical also we have class A, class B. So same concept, here class A will be there, class B separately, class C separately. Here one father, we have a son and a daughter. This type of relationship will be comes under the hierarchical model. One parent, 2 children, that is comes under hierarchical concept. Okay. Then next we are going for a multiple and hybrid. I told already that multiple and hybrid inheritance will be comes under interface concept, because interface we are using the keyword implements. Here we are using the keyword extends. So that concept is separate. We will go for the separate class. So what is the thing, structure thing I will explain now. So here the class A, class B, same thing will be there. But we have 2 parent class, 1 base class. Right? Then 1 base class is inheriting from 2 parents. Only 1 child inheriting from two of them. That is that. So 2 classes has been inherited. So the concept has been over here, multiple means 2 features, that is the interface. So one child cannot able to use the 2 parent inheritance. That's what we are going for a interface concept. That concept is not applicable for interface inheritance. That's why we are going for interface concept. So here the class A, class B, class C, class D, we are doing a separate different concept. We are going for combination of single inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. So these 2 combinations will become in our hybrid inheritance. First, we have seen that in this we have a hierarchical inheritance. So take single inheritance. The hierarchical model and the single inheritance both are combined together. We have a hybrid inheritance. So then, small example for a single inheritance. For single inheritance, I told that 1 parent class, 1 derived class. So that is the meaning for the single inheritance. By using the concept, we have a program parent-son relationship, child relationship. So here I have created a class. In the main function, I have created a 1 class, that is class inheritance. So here we have a for class father. Class father is our parent class. class son is our child class. So what is happening over in the child class? I didn't give anything because it was a very only open bracket and closed brackets. But in the main function, I have created an object for son, that is child class. Only child class I have created an object. The child class has been called. Now the son, the child class extends further because the child class is inheriting all the concepts of father. So that's why we will get the output of what are the concepts present in our parent class. Because I didn't create any object for my parent class, but only for the child class I have created an object. So now son extends further means the son means the child class is extending the parents class features. So the class father having gender and we have a method parent class printing. So system.out.println we have a parent class. So child class is inheriting all the concepts of parent class. So while we are producing an output s.gender they are asking to display. So s.gender means it will be called here and it will go here. So what is the gender? It is a male. Then s.print. In the print method we have a print class. So both output is m. So the parent class. These are all the output. So here I didn't give anything, but I gave everything in my parent class. I inherited everything from my parent class. The child class has been executed successfully. This is the concept of single inheritance, a simple way to inherit data. So then multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance, I told that grandfather, father, grandchildren. Like that also we can tell. Here instead of daughter we can tell grandchildren. So we can. So like that relationship. So here class I have created parent class as a grandfather. Class mother extends grandfather. Another one derived class. From the derived class we are extending class daughter extends mother. So I have created the main function for daughter. The object was created only for the daughter. So I am going to call the daughter class. So daughter class is there, nothing but here not having any data, so any methods or functions, nothing should be there. So class daughter extends. If I am giving any data also, it will also taken and it will also inherit all the concepts of parents class also. Not the meaning over that. It's not a meaning. We are not going to give anything in our child class. We can able to give, but I am not giving here. We can able to give any data over in our child class also, and also it will inherit all the concepts from parent class also. That is the concept over here. Don't misunderstand. So class daughter extends mother. So daughter has been extending the features of mother. Here we have a gender female. Then mother extending grandfather. She is extending the features of grandfather. Grandfather have a male, but here we can't able to override because mother having a female, daughter also a female. So here female class has been already given. So gender has been displayed as a female. But again s.print has been given. So print means it is in this class. The parent class has been printed. So here F1 parent class has been printed. So this is a way we can say that multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance, we have a one parent class, one child class, and child also act as a parent, and another one derived class. Parent, derived, and derived class. These are all the concepts of multi-level inheritance. I told that hybrid and these type of concepts are coming under the interface. We will see in the next class. Hierarchical also I said that the combination of these things are that in the hybrid inheritance. Hierarchical we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you for listening to the class. We will see in the